Hello friends, welcome to youtube.com oblique Dr. channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor Head Veterinary Medicine. Here we discuss important bacterial disease, infectious necrotic hepatitis, also called black disease. In part 2, we will discuss details about pathogenesis and clinical signs. Pathogenesis of infectious necrotic hepatitis. The spores that is outside are ingested by the animal, spores of Clostridium novae. Then after ingestion it reaches to the digestive system, and from digestive system it is transported to a liver through lymphatic system, lymphatic channels. The normal animal also carry Clostridium novae organism in the liver. The liver receive organism from the digestive tract, and organism is already present in the liver. Under local anaerobic conditions, the organism proliferate, multiply, and liberate in necrotoxic alpha toxin, very dangerous toxin. The local anaerobic condition in liver is mainly due to migrating young flukes, and they migrate through the tracts in the liver, and during their migration they feed on the liver tissue and causes severe tissue destruction of liver and tissue necrosis of the liver. The infectious necrotic hepatitis has direct association with the fascioliasis. The alpha toxin is produced in liver is a potent necrotoxin. It causes local liver necrosis and extensive damage to the vascular system. The nervous signs are produced due to general vascular damage and specific neurotoxin. Clinical findings in SIP. SIP is the most susceptible animal. Sudden death of SIP is observed, and mostly during night time. The SIP found dead without showing any premonitory signs of illness, no any diagnostic signs. The course of disease is very short, only few hours. There is no time to provide diagnosis. Sudden death without symptoms. The affected sheep are mostly 2 to 4 years of age. The infectious necrotic hepatitis is mostly observed during summer season and warm humid climate, because this is also a peak season of the liver fluke and snail infection. The disease occur generally in well-nourished adult sheep of 2 to 4 years of age, and these sheep are affected with liver fluke also. So there is strong association of infectious nephrotic hepatitis and fascioliasis. The sheep remain segregated from the rest of the flock because it is sick. The sheep is separated from the flock and generally lagged behind the flock. The, the sheep is stand still, and when it is forcefully driven, the sheep fall down on the ground. Initially, there is very high temperature, 105 to 107 degrees Fahrenheit, but after a few hours, the temperature subsides to a subnormal level because of the toxemic condition. The clinical signs in SIP is hyperesthesia, increased sensation. The SIP remain excited. Even normal stimuli causes excitation in the SIP. That is because of the vascular damage of the brain. The respiration is rapid and shallow. As the disease progresses, the animal sits down, then there is sternal recumbency, then lateral recumbency, and death very silently or quietly without any struggling. Friends, we discuss here clinical signs in cattle. The clinical sign in cattle are the same as that of sheep. But here in cattle, the course is little bit longer than sheep. Longer means not very long, but it is last for in 1 or 2 days. So signs also last for 1 or 2 days. Here also the course is short, but comparatively longer as compared to the sheep. There is sudden profound depression in cattle. The cattle shows the sign of toxemia. There is reluctance to move, profound depression, skin become cold because of subnormal temperature, complete atony of the rumen. So definitely there is anorexia and the temperature is either normal or subnormal. Clinical signs in SIP, there is great weakness of the limbs, animal is reluctant to move, unable to walk. The heart sounds are muffled because there is accumulation of fluid in the pericardial cavity. Deep palpation of the liver area elicites abdominal pain that suggests hepatitis and affection of the liver. The feces is semi-solid or semi-fluidy, diarrheic feces. There is periorbital edema is observed. Clinical signs in horses. Horse also shows the signs of toxemia and syndrome of peritonitis. There is severe progressive toxemia. The horse shows the profound depression and reluctance to move. The liver receive organism from the digestive tract and organism is already present in the liver under local anaerobic conditions. The organism proliferate, multiply. and liberate in necrotoxic alpha toxin, very dangerous toxin. The local anaerobic condition in liver is mainly due to migrating young flukes. Friends, we have discussed here pathogenesis and clinical findings of infectious necrotic hepatitis in sheep, cattle, and horse. The video on disease aspect of animal of veterinary medicine requested to watch youtube.com Dr. Vet channel. Please share this information to veterinary and veterinary friends, students. Press like button, subscribe to promote the channel. Thank you very much for observing these videos.